Before starting to use this generator, you probably need to get an adapter to the electrical power socket in your wall. You now need to fill the device with distilled water. Open this lid and fill here. At the bottom, here is a vent, which you open to let a little bit of water flow out, in order to cover the membrane properly with water. But it's not mandatory to open this vent, if only one person will be using the generator. If two people will be using the device, open the vent to let out some water, and then close the vent again. This generator has two outlets. In the beginning, only one outlet will be producing hydrogen. But after a few hours, also the other will start producing hydrogen. Always leave a little bit of water in the bottles, to make sure there's enough moisture, so that you always get pure hydrogen when inhaling. Before starting, attach the tubes to the bottles, and the end of one tube to the metal arm to hydrogenize water in a bottle or glass, and the other tube's end to use for inhaling. The buttons are sensor buttons, so you don't have to press hard. Just press here, and choose the number of hours you want. Begin with 1 hour. Later on, when your body is more accustomed to hydrogen, you can set the timer to 2 hours. And here, you choose how strong a flow you want. 100, 200, 300, 450 or 600. Then, we press start. Now, hydrogen is flowing to both your water, and into the inhalation tube, for you to inhale. This is how to set up, and start using this hydrogen generator. The great benefit of this generator is that it has two outlets, which allows you to produce both drinking water, and hydrogen for inhaling at the same time. Or letting two people inhale simultaneously. Initially, you can inhale 30 minutes twice per day. And later on, even increase the time, and also drink 1.5 liters of hydrogen water each day. For sensitive people, it is advised to slowly build up to the recommended use. Here's also a video from the manufacturer, which shows you how to unpack the generator, and how to use it. A repetition of what I just explained. This shows how you can also inhale hydrogen while using the eye massager to get double effect.